How to enable the auto backup of System Registry after a restart in Windows 10. Your Windows Registry stores essential system settings, and enabling automatic backups can significantly protect your organization against data loss and operational disruptions. In this video, we'll outline how to enable the auto backup of your Windows 10 System Registry. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to enable automatic registry backups. Before we start, keep in mind that this procedure requires administrator privileges and involves modifying registry key values. Always create a manual backup of your Windows registry before making changes. Step 1. Open the registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting enter. Step 2. Navigate to the correct registry key. You can't make a mistake here. Typos result in a completely different key, which may then affect how other parts of your system run. Head to our blog post for the correct key. Step 3. Enable automatic registry backups by configuring the Enable Periodic Backup value. Enter 1 to enable automatic backups upon restart. Step 4. Click Apply, then OK. Lastly, restart your PC. How to restore automatic registry backups. The automatic registry backups are stored in the regback folder. After enabling backups, verify that the registry hives, such as Security, Software, and SAM, are correctly saved in this folder. To restore a backup, follow these steps. Step 1. Boot into Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE. You can do so one of two ways. The first method is by using a Windows 10 installation media. Alternatively, you can boot your PC, then shut it off as the Windows logo appears. Do this twice to launch WinRE. Step 2. Open Command Prompt in WinRE. Navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then select Command Prompt. Step 3. Locate the backup files. Enter C:/Windows/System32/config, then type dir regback to open the folder. Step 4. Backup current registry and restore the backup files. Check our blog for the full list of commands. Step 5. Exit Command Prompt, then select Continue to restart your PC. As another option, you can schedule registry backups more frequently. Step 1. Open Task Scheduler by pressing Win+R, typing tasks.chd.msc and pressing Enter. Step 2. In the left pane, navigate to Microsoft, Windows, Registry, then select regidle backup. Open the Triggers tab to set the desired backup intervals. Step 3. In the General tab, make sure the task is enabled and configured to run whether a user is logged in or not. Step 4. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Automating registry backups after each restart strengthens your organization's data resilience, providing a vital recovery tool and enhancing overall cybersecurity. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable the auto backup of System Registry after a restart in Windows 10 in the description below.